Hey guys, Mr. Case here again to go over day 14 of the science work for the NTI work packets for 4th grade. So, we've got 3 different sheets here for day 14 for science. Looks like a lot, but it's really not. The first sheet, just got a little passage, and then you have 5 pretty much comprehension questions on the back, just multiple choice questions. The next sheet, you have a really basic, gives you an introduction, says what will we research. We need to look for answers to the following questions, so you're going to come up with questions. And it says organize, use the space to organize the information you gathered. So it's pretty much over renewable and non-renewable sources. It says record your sources below in this little graph here. And then on the back it's just kind of steps like how will you introduce your topic, main point 1, main point 2, main point 3, and summarize your main points to end your presentation. It's kind of like if you were giving a presentation in class. The next sheet, it's just going over how to gather and present information from research. And it says how to find and record your sources. So it's just pretty much kind of like notes that you would glue in your science notebook for Miss Anderson. And then on the back, you have 3 open-ended response questions. So just short answer questions. Like I said, it seems like a lot, but it's not. I'm going to go through those on the first sheet. I'm going to read a little passage to you guys, so then you guys can go ahead and answer those multiple choice questions on the back. So this says poster contest. Just after lunch one day, Miss Simpson had an announcement for her class. Kids, she said, we are going to enter a poster contest. We're going to make posters to convince kids to use resources wisely. John asked, what does that mean? Earth provides us with the resources we need to live, said Miss Simpson. Earth provides us with air, plants, water, animals, and minerals. Humans cannot make these resources themselves. Why do we have to use them wisely? Asked Amir. Well, Miss Simpson continued, even though some resources are renewable, which means they can be replaced in time, it takes a long time to replace them. She held up a piece of a notebook paper. This paper is made from trees. When trees are cut down to make things such as paper, they can be regrown. But it takes a long time to regrow trees. Replace dirty water with clean water or clean air after it has been polluted. This is why we need to take care of our renewable resources. What about things that cannot be renewed? Asked Addison. My dad says there is only so much oil in the world, so we have to conserve or not use so much of it. That is right, Addie, said Miss Simpson. Besides oil, there are non-renewable resources such as coal and natural gas, also known as fossil fuels. Once we use them up, there are no more of them. It took the planet a long time to create these resources, but we are using them so quickly. Supplies will disappear if we do not do something about this soon. You kids are so smart. I know you will want to help spread the word about how important it is to conserve. I think this poster contest sounds like a great idea, said Amir. I don't want us to run out of resources. Miss Simpson passed out crayons, paper, and markers to the kids. They started drawing pictures and writing messages on their posters. They wrote things such as, please recycle, and walk to save gas. Miss Simpson gave them other ideas, such as, turn off the water when you brush your teeth, and reuse plastic bottles. Miss Simpson asked the kids to make additional posters to put around the school. That way, all the other students would know how important it is to use resources wisely. The kids hung their posters and then stood back and looked at them with pride. They felt like they had done something good for their school and the planet. Miss Simpson was proud of them too and gave all the kids cupcakes she had baked. Alright, so if you go to the back, there are 5 multiple choice questions. Go through, answer them the best you can, refer back to the passage. And that is it for the day 14 science of the NTI work packets for 4th grade. Hope you guys found the video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.